In this video, I will show you how you can enable swipe for pop-up view on the Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now to do that, just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. From here, just tap on Multi-Window. Now on this page, you will find the option for swipe for pop-up view. From here, just enable this toggle. Now after you enable this toggle, then you will be able to swipe down from the top corners of the screen to open any app in a pop-up view. Also, you have the option to increase or decrease the triggering area of the screen. As you can see, it is currently on small, but you can increase it just like that. As you can see, the triggering area has been increased. And if you select small, it will be smaller. Now as you have customized this gesture as you like, now you can swipe down from any of the top corners of the screen to open the selected app in a pop-up window, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.